Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from December's Ipsy Extra, formerly known as Boxycharm by Ipsy. This month's theme is Play Beauty and Spread Joy. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo, Sonage AI Peptide Serum, Saie Glowy Super Gel, Realher You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette, and the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm Oil. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. First, we have the Sonage AI Peptide Serum. This combines peptides, botanical extracts, and caffeine to support brighter, smoother looking eyes over time. The cooling zinc roller ball is such a nice feature. Next, I'm using the Saie Glowy Super Gel. This is in the shade Rose Glow. It's a beautiful rose gold hue. I really love this product, but I think my favorite shade has to be Star Glow. Now let's take a look at the Realher You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette. This 6-pan palette retails for $36. Let's swatch it. It has a really good range of colors, even a few that would work as bronzer. That's exactly what we're going to do today. I'm taking the shade Social and sweeping this around the face to bronze. Now for blush, I'm using the shade Confident. I'm applying this to the high points of my cheeks. Finally, I'm applying the Fenty Gloss Balm Oil. This is in the shade Rose Amber, a sparkling cool taupe brown. It's such a unique and beautiful color. Here's the finished look using products from December's Ipsy Extra. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.